Get out of the noise. Hey, I wanted to post a real fast update about the channel in case you're waiting for the next episode of the base build. So it's been about a month since I posted something. Not to worry, I haven't quit. I've got one on the computer now, one episode ready to start the editing process, but that takes me quite a while, and especially with my laptop computer. I should have bought a desktop with more RAM to make that process a little easier. But I took a vacation for 2 weeks, and started back working again after coming back from Korea. And I do a lot of other things in the shop. So people have learned that I've gotten back, and I've just kind of been flooded with orders and things, so I kind of have to give that priority. And my hobby, which is guitar building, has had to take a bit of a backseat. So that's what's going on. I've got at least 3 episodes of footage done. So this whole YouTube thing, hey birdie, oh, there he goes. This whole YouTube thing has been quite a learning experience for me. I've learned that my pace for building is kind of limited by my filming of it. And when I've got footage for about 3 to 4 episodes, like I just said, then I don't feel like I can go on with a build until I've kind of kept a reasonable distance between my posting, if that makes any sense. So I don't want to get too much footage on the hard drive and get so far ahead on the build than the actual editing. So I kind of have really limited myself to the building process versus the pace of my editing and posting. Sorry if I'm not that articulate in communicating what I mean, but that's where I stand with the build. I've got the neck pretty much shaped. It just needs to get the truss rod routed now, which will be in about 3 episodes, and then we'll put the fretboard on. I got a different fretboard solution than what I originally posted back in episode 1 with the wengae. So yeah, we're gonna move on to that, and then hopefully I can get caught up on these other orders. I'm thinking about starting a separate channel just for those other builds. A lot of people like to watch my machines in action. I've got a laser machine, I've got a CNC router, and I've even got a 3D printer. A lot of people find it kind of cathartic just to watch those things working. So I'm thinking about doing a separate channel just to post footage of that. So let me know in the comments below if that's something you would also subscribe to, and I'll show you what I mean real quick. This is the laser, of course. Right now it's working on a retirement gift for a 30-year career military officer. You can see I'm already taking footage of that. But it's a world map with all of his assignments and the distances back to his hometown. And now it's getting an inscription across the bottom of the frame. Funny story about this piece real quick. Let me get out in here. So the customer wanted it on weathered wood, and I'm like, where am I going to get weathered wood? Because weathering wood takes time, and I haven't found a good method for artificially weathering it. So hey, there's something you can comment to me about. If you know a way to artificially weather some wood, then let me know. But where am I going to get this weathered wood? Meanwhile, I'm dreading the fact that I have to replace the flooring on this deck with the composite material, because one board from Lowe's or Home Depot of the composite decking is between $20 to $30, and that is just a dreadful cost that I don't know of anybody who wants to pay $20 to $30 a board when you've got like 100 boards just to, you know, just to replace it all. But where am I gonna get this weathered board? Obviously right here. So here's the boards that I used for that that retirement gift with the safety tractors, so people don't walk into it. But this has given me some huge profit potential ideas that I can just sell my deck. I'll sell my deck on Etsy or something, bit by bit, and I will more than pay for the composite decking that I'm going to buy. How about that? Okay, I'll probably be able to pay off a bit of my mortgage too. So that's the update. Longer than I thought it would be, but thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe below, and leave me comments. And your comments really encourage me and motivate me to keep going, and gets me out in the shop even more. So hope to see you. Bye.